Welcome to Suite Automation, the ultimate solution for business process automation, designed to help your team work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. This solution doesn't replace your existing systems, it seamlessly integrates and unifies them for a streamlined workflow. Are you using multiple systems that does not communicate with each other? See this as the solution bringing all your data together as a complement rather than a replacement. Imagine eliminating repetitive manual tasks, optimizing your workflows, and freeing up valuable time to focus on what truly matters: strategic initiatives that grow your business. With Suite Automation, your team is empowered to automate processes, adapt to changing business needs, without requiring extensive coding skills. Suite Automation is a business process automation platform that makes it easy to perform automatic actions and save time. With Suite Automation, you can manage critical business processes where integration is the key to success. Here are some of our favorite use cases. Onboarding. Automate applications and make automatic decisions based on predefined rules, while seamlessly identifying deviations that require attention. Case management. Implement automatic routing and escalation to ensure support cases are handled efficiently and reach the right person at the right time. Marketing automation. Build a customer journey to engage both leads and customers automatically with targeted, timely communication. By automating these processes and integrating your systems, Suite Automation ensures smarter workflows, better collaboration, and greater efficiency across your organization. Would you like to see how this can be applied to your organization? Reach out to get a personalized demo. Suite Automation, where all the pieces come together.